What's up, everybody? Welcome to another DIY on the fly. I'm Ruby and we got Shy right over here, and we're going to show you how to clean a condenser. Instead of paying your AC company to come out for $80-90 for a little tune-up, get yourself one of these little sprayers at Home Depot, about $20. Get yourself a gallon of condenser cleaner and you'll be ready to roll. You mix it with some water, follow the instructions on the label. You're going to spray the coils of the condenser, and then you're going to get one of these little hose attachments that you can stick up on the top and go through your fan, because you want to push the dirt out as opposed to spraying it from over here to push it in. So we're going to get Shia, pick on the hose, and we'll get to work. Just going to spray it all around the unit, everywhere where we sprayed the chemical. And as you can see, we're pushing a lot of dirt out. This is a good way to keep your unit running efficiently and really extend the life of the unit. And you just do this all around so you wash out all that chemical, and you'll be ready to roll for the summer. And when you're all done with that, you just take it, just kind of rinse off the outside of the unit just to get rid of all the debris that you pushed out. And then you should be looking at like a brand new looking unit.
Thanks so much for watching. Hope you enjoyed it. Comment down below with any questions, and don't forget to like and subscribe.